Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to be talking about all the different tax forms that are out there that you're probably going to end up coming across while preparing your tax return. I'm going to talk about some of the actual forms, the main tax forms you'll submit to the IRS, and the tax forms you should receive in the mail to be able to prepare your tax return. Now, not all of these will be obviously applicable to you, but some of them will be. So I'm going to get the video going here and we'll take a look at this. Okay, so the main three forms, tax forms that you'll submit to the IRS, one of these you'll end up submitting will be the Form 1040, Form 1040EZ, or the Form 1040A. So you'll end up filing one of those forms. Most of you out there will end up filing either the Form 1040 or the 1040EZ. Okay? And later in the video I'm going to take you to these forms and show them to you real quick. But those are the three main ones. Now I'm going to cover the forms that you're going to receive in the mail to be able to prepare your tax return, and kind of just give a quick rundown of some of these forms that you can expect. Now, the W-2 is the main one. You're going to receive that from your employer in the mail, and that's going to include all the wages that you earned, tips, and any other compensation. Okay? And this amount is reported on line 7 of the 1040 form. If you had gambling winnings, you're going to get a W-2G from wherever you receive those gambling winnings. That's going to be a report on line 21 of the Form 1040. You can prepare your taxes online at HarborFinancialOnline.com, or you can just do a quick estimate of what your taxes might be. So after this video, if you just want to see what your refund's going to be or actually go prepare the return, you can do that through our site at HarborFinancialOnline.com. Now for you people out there that own a home, you're going to get Form 1098. Wait until you get this, because this is going to be the mortgage interest that you paid on the mortgage for your home, and that's all deductible. So make sure before you file your return you're getting Form 1098. 1098C is for contributions of motor vehicles, boats, and airplanes. This is going to be reported on Schedule A of the Form 1040. Now 1098E, you can see here my list, so you can just read along with me. 1098E, student loan interest, that's going to be line 33 to 1040. I'm going to go kind of quick through here because we have quite a bit of them. 1098T, tuition expenses, so if you're a college student, this is going to be on line 34. Any of this information, and when you prepare the return electronically online, it's automatically going to ask you for these forms, but I just want to give you a quick rundown to make sure you've received all the forms you need to prepare your return. 1099, let's go back here, we jumped ahead there. 1099 DIV, that's for dividends. Any dividends received, you're going to get a Form 1099 DIV. Okay, that's going to be from the financial institution that gave you those dividends, and that's going to be on line 9A of the 1040. 1099G, that's unemployment income. That's going to be line 19. Again, you can follow here the bullet points. 1099 INT, that's interest income. So if you had a savings account or investments where you got interest income, line A8, okay? 8A on the Form 1040. Form 1099 miscellaneous, that's going to be for rents, royalties, other income, and non-employee compensation. Now I want to take you to the 1040, 1040EZ, and the 1040A, and I want to show that to you real quick. Here's our website first, HarborFinancialOnline.com. You can prepare the return directly online, like I said here at our site, or just do a quick calculation of what your taxes might be. Here's the normal Form 1040. This is the long version. This is where you're going to get most of your all the deductions and credits that are available are going to be on the 1040. Now they're limited on the 1040 EZ and the 1040A. But this is your normal 1040, the first 2 pages, and you have a bunch of schedules that attach to this. Now, like I said, if you prepare the return online, it's going to show you which form is best for you. Here's the 1040 EZ. I have other videos on the 1040 EZ if you want to learn more about any of these forms. I have videos on each form, so check that out when we're done here. I'm just doing a quick overview of the forms out there. So you can see here, this is the 1040 EZ. I just want to show you real quick. Again, check out my video on the 1040 EZ. It's a whole video dedicated to this. And here's your 1040A. Okay, and we have videos on this as well. So you'll end up filing one of these 3 forms. So again, harborfinancialonline.com. We have more credits and deductions that we talk about here on the left. On the left side here, all these you'll click on, and you can do a quick estimate if you want of your taxes and prepare the return directly online. So again, that's the main forms that you need to consider, and the forms that you're probably going to receive in the mail to be able to prepare your return online. Okay, so I appreciate you watching the video. We have lots more videos, like I said, on tax, and we're always bringing up new videos, and our site is constantly updating new tax laws and any changes to taxes. So thank you, and check out our site, harborfinancialonline.com.